Sinking driveway, settling patio, collapsing stoop, uneven pool deck. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Wednesday, the 5th of January. I'm James Spann. The weather stays dry today. Then tomorrow, cold and wet, and the chance of some wintry precipitation for extreme North Alabama. And another shot of really cold air rolls in here by tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night. So a lot to talk about. Here we go. This is the upper air look across the country early this morning. And we have troughing developing north and west of the state. That's going to pull down some really cold air by tomorrow night. We'll start to feel it really tomorrow afternoon. But this morning, we're above freezing. We've got 44 for Birmingham, Pell City 34, Cullman 39. High should be in the 50s today. There's the watch warning map. A lot of winter weather issues up north. Blizzard warnings for parts of Minnesota and the Dakotas. A number of states with winter weather advisories. Obviously, severe weather, not much of a problem anytime soon because it's kind of cold. We've got a risk of thunder today for the Outer Banks of North Carolina. Tomorrow, there could be a few thunderstorms from Mobile over to Dothan, across the Florida Panhandle, but not severe. And day 3, Friday, no thunderstorms across the country. Here's the precipitation for the next 7 days. Again, western Oregon and Washington State, very wet. For Alabama, the amounts will likely exceed 1 inch for the northern half of the state, under 1 inch for South Alabama. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06E run, valid today at 3. Troughing with a core north of the state. And for us, again, we're dry. The sky becoming mostly cloudy. Highs will be in the 50s. But tomorrow, a cold front slices in here. A wave comes through the bottom of the trough, and that's going to create a winter weather situation for areas north of the state. For parts of Tennessee and Kentucky, they'll see a pretty good little snow event here. And the question is, how deep into Alabama will this wintry precipitation extend? So this is the high-res NAM at noon tomorrow. And the shades of pink, that's basically freezing rain. And temperatures are going to be falling during the day. Temperatures will likely fall to near freezing over the Tennessee Valley by midday, and then dropping maybe into the 20s by mid to late afternoon. So it's going to be a tricky forecast. In fact, when this mess begins early in the morning, might have some sleet because of evaporative cooling. Then we'll have a period of rain, and then it changes to freezing rain up in the Tennessee Valley, maybe mixed with snow. This is 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And again, you can see the mess in the north with some sleet, freezing rain, and snow over the Tennessee Valley mainly, but possibly as far south as Cullman and US 278, Hamilton, Cullman, Gadsden, as the temperatures begin to drop. Here's a look at the temperatures at 3 o'clock. You can see we've got sub-freezing temperatures at that point. Again, basically north of a line from near Fayette up to about Huntsville. So the question is, will we get any precipitation down? This is the snow accumulation coming off the NAM, showing maybe a little bit for the Tennessee Valley. The really good snow's up in Tennessee. Nashville might see several inches from this. This is the European, very similar, although it does have a half inch of snow down into the Tennessee Valley. And the national blend of models suggesting maybe a few flurries down almost to Birmingham. So this is going to be a really tricky day here, but clearly the main chance of impact in terms of travel will be Tennessee Valley and points north. And by the Tennessee Valley, that's Muscle Shoals, Athens, Decatur, Huntsville, Scottsboro. For Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, points south, mostly rain, maybe a changeover on the backside of this thing. And do keep in mind, we'll be way, way, way below freezing tomorrow night, Friday morning. There might be a touch of black ice in scattered spots over about the northern third of the state. So again, we'll watch modeling and update the forecast later today. Friday, it's all gone, but very cold. Friday morning will be down in the low 20s. The wind chill index will be close to 10. Then during the day Friday, the sky's sunny, the high only in the upper 30s. This is Saturday. We start the day in the 20s. The high will be in the 50s, rain off to the west, and that rain moves in here Sunday in advance of the next cold front. And we might see a high close to 60 on Sunday. But no severe weather with that. Then Monday, the feature is on by. The cold front down to the south. Monday will be colder. Highs go back in the 40s. Tuesday, a dry day. Start the day in the 20s. The high in the low 50s. And a week from today, Wednesday the 12th, got ridging building. And again, we are rain-free. We'll go out 10 days. This is Friday the 14th, troughing just to the east. And another shot of colder air coming in here. But the bottom line is much of next week at this point looking dry. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean between 2 and 3 inches between now and the 19th of January. Temperatures, you can see the cold shot. Now, the deal Thursday, you see the high of 51 tomorrow. That's probably in the morning. We're going to fall into the 30s by afternoon. And then Friday, 42. That might be optimistic. I could see us staying in the 30s all day. And then another shot of colder air with highs back in the 40s for the first couple of days of next week. And the latest Cpc Outlook, this is for the 12th through the 18th of January. Temperatures around here pretty close to average if this verifies. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and God bless.
Sinking driveway? Call Alabama Professional Services. Settling patio? Call APS. Uneven pool deck? Call APS. Collapsing stoop? Call APS. Cracking sidewalk? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.